Can I pay for my own education and use my business to do that? Or some of them that have employees are asking if they can help their employees pay their education costs and use the business to do that. In the knowledge economy, education can have a significant value for self employed people, for business owners, and their employees to either help them maintain or even enhance their career prospects and their earning potential. So it's important. And we want to encourage that as much as possible as business owners or as the advisors of business owners or self employed people. But we have to be very careful about how we do that. Employers can support their workers' education as a tax free benefit in two ways. And I'm going to talk about these two ways in this episode on work related education and how we can make paying the costs of work related education deductible. Again, there are going to be some limitations here, but those limits are on what qualifies as deductible education costs. Once we have meet those burdens, then we do have some more opportunities in order to see a tax benefit from paying those education costs, as long as those costs qualify. The two ways that an employer, or in the case of a self employed person, that individual can receive a tax free benefit in order to pay those education costs. The first way is what's called an educational assistance program. That's covered under IRC Section 127, or as a working condition fringe benefit. And that's covered under IRC Section 132J8. Now, working condition fringe benefit, that label encompasses a lot of different kinds of fringe benefits that can be offered to employees. So we're going to talk about that, but really we're going to talk about that within the context of a self-employed person paying his or her own education costs. And those costs that would qualify for a self-employed person would probably also qualify if a business were paying those costs for one of its employees.